Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to watch how to apply for an e-visa to South Africa. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, e-visas are becoming very popular with the ease of applying and for the convenience of using it. More and more countries are opting for e-visa. So it's good that now we have e-visa facility for South Africa as well. So in front of you, I have opened the official South Africa e-visa site. And I know you may have a lot of questions. So, you can do is like you can go to FAQ. Here you have all the questions like cost. It depends upon the country. South African rands is going to be the currency. And that you can always check. And like question like do you need to enter exact dates and all other questions, right? If you get a refund or not. So you can go through all these questions and you can find out how you can do it. And all foreign citizens wishing to travel will need a visa, okay? Except citizens from the countries that are exempted. Okay, fine. So we are at the home. So there are 4 steps process. Create a profile, submit online form, upload documentation, confirm secure payment. So we'll go with create your profile first. Let me see what are the questions they have asked. Please note that South African users currently only for the citizens of the following nationality. Okay, this is very important. India is there, Canada is not. Make sure you do it. So these are just some basic details, passport issue. Maybe it's gonna replicate over there. Email definitely required and create profile. So I'm gonna go through this and then I'll meet you guys. Okay. So what happens is like after you register, you get an email where you get a link to activate your profile. Once you activate, you can come and log into the site and then you reach to this page. So if when you create application, click on create application. Then asking it on behalf of minor, I select no. But if it is, provide the information relevant. Okay. Please indicate the type of application you want to apply for. So I'm selecting this. Minor, we already selected the number of people applying for, including yourself. So I'm getting one. The number of people applying for cannot be empty because caption of people who form will be cumulative. Can I select 01? Yeah. So now click on create form. Date of application. Okay, application reference number. Add applicant, South Africa physical address, home physical address, citizenship details, marital details. If you want to add applicant, you can click on add applicant and do. Detail, contact person. You have all the tabs here. Wow. Declaration. And then you can save it, save it, continue, and finally submit. But let's go through. Personal detail. Wow. New application. Random name, city of birth, date of birth, country of citizenship, passport details. South Africa physical address, where will be residing, home physical address, citizenship details, marital status, parent details, parent A, parent B, recent visa issued to you, details of the other address where you have lived before, asylum seeker, refugee, so if applicable, contact person in your country of residence. So many details you have asked. Intention proposed, financial declaration, employment, record of employment, security. So once you submit, then you have to upload documents and then you have to pay the fee as it requires. So you can see that it's very easy process and I have walked you through this. So this will really help you. And as I said, like, um, please subscribe to the channel at the end before you go. Thanks for watching. Thank you.